everybody, this is Angie with Mystic Mountain Homestead, and I've got my helper today, and it's August, and it's super hot. Is it hot outside, babe?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we're going to make a special after-school snack that can be eaten any time of the day. I've even, honestly, let Xavier eat this for breakfast before. It is banana nice cream, which is a raw vegan version of ice cream. And there's really only 3 ingredients, but some people like to put a 4th one in. So I'm going to go through these with you real quick. I take bananas and I take the peel off and I freeze them. Stick them in, freeze them in a Ziploc. Maple syrup is the one that some people add. You don't really need this, to be perfectly honest, because bananas are naturally sweet. But I do like to use the organic maple syrup. If you can afford the grade A, that's the best, but if you can't, that's okay. We're going to use about a teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. This is not Hershey's cocoa powder. You need to know that there's a difference. This is cacao. This is made out of the actual chocolate bean, I guess is what it is. This is real chocolate. This isn't manufactured with sugar and all the other stuff that regular cocoa powder is. So this is cacao powder. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut these up into pieces. Now, I have a Ninja that I use. I love my Ninja. I will be the cutter. I love my Ninja. A lot of people that I know, especially raw vegan friends of mine, they all have a Vitamix, which is an excellent blender. However, Vitamix are very expensive, and so I take what I got and I make it work, and I have a least expensive version of that, which is called the Ninja. This can be purchased at Walmart, and I'm going to cut it up into little pieces. The ingredients that I'm going to use today is going to be 2 bananas. If you want to increase this to 3, you can. So, all right, buddy, go ahead and put those in for us.
Okay. 1.
Make sure they go
2.
down. Nope, make sure they go all the way down.
Oh.
Just grab them up by a
3.
handful. You're good. Grab them up. You don't have to count them.
4, 5, 6. I like to count them.
Do you? And I want
7, 8, 9, 10.
I want to let
11,
you guys
12,
know
13, 14, 15, 16.
my hands are black, but they're not dirty. We made elderberry syrup, so if you go right here, you can click on it and see, over here, you can click on it and see how to make elderberry syrup. The problem with making elderberry syrup is you have to remember to always wear your gloves. If you don't wear your gloves, you get purple hands, and elderberries can be used to make dye. So there you go. Now, we're going to put in about a teaspoon of vanilla.
So pour the whole thing?
Pour the whole thing. Mommy pre-measured.
Okay.
And about 2 tablespoons of cacao. Okay. And then we're going to put the lid on.
Wait,
This is really...
I think we should put that in.
Well, we can put this in, but
I wanna put it
I think it's pretty sweet, is it? Okay, we'll put a little bit.
Yeah.
How's that?
It's going to be extra sweet.
Extra.
Yes.
Well, I don't think we need extra sweet.
I do.
I'm sure you do. So we'll put a little bit, of extra sweet. Yeah, he's excited about that. Can never have too much sugar, right? As far as you're concerned. Okay, so this is a healthy snack. Like I said,
Which part did you press?
hang on. Like I said, it's all natural. It's raw. It's vegan. If you get your bananas organic, then you can even go that way. Put the power on, and we're gonna go hard. If you have the Vitamix, just so you know, it's got one of those pounder things, and you don't have to do this. But there's nothing wrong with doing it like this. So you want to get it all down in there good. Get everything off the sides.
It looks good already.
I know, it smells good already.
Okay.
Can you be my spoon holder? Don't lick it, only hold it. No, we're not to the licking stake yet. We're not to the lick.
I'm just smelling it. It smells really good.
Okay. Now, this is a safety fixture on my Ninja. You heard it go off. That's because this was not pushed down. Push it down. Now we can go. So technically this snack can be made in 30 to 90 seconds. Mix it on down there. It's getting mixed up.
Can I see?
Yeah, you can see.
Oh, that looks cool.
Isn't that awesome? You like this, don't you?
Wait, I don't
You've had
remember
this
what
before?
it tastes like. I know I had it before.
Uh-huh.
I just don't remember the taste.
Oh, I bet you'll love it. This is called pulse.
What does that do?
It's like start, start, stop, start, stop, stop.
Starting to get creamy yet?
Yeah, it's getting there.
Can I see? I want to see next.
Oh, it's starting to get there, huh?
Let me see. Oh, there it is.
We'll add a little bit more maple syrup, not for the sweetness, but just for the liquid. How's that?
Yeah, for the liquid.
I'd do more than that if I was using it, if he was doing it for liquid.
Yeah, Mom.
We're good, guys.
Is it goes over?
I don't want it too sweet. Here it goes. See it starting to move? Now it's starting to move. Oh boy. Bottom. You can see it's looking pretty creamy.
It smells
So,
super good too.
It smells so good too. Awesome. I'm getting
we
excited.
Can eat it now?
Yep, I'm getting excited. Are you getting excited?
Yeah, I want to eat it first.
Yeah, of course you do.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
I'm very hungry.
All right. Look at that.
Oh, it's really good. Not this.
No, you can't lick a blade.
Not that. This. The
No.
wooden spoon. I don't
Okay.
know if spoon.
We'll put this right here. Lean it up against that so it doesn't make a mess. Okay, so this is the 2 banana recipe, and as you can see, that's probably going to be enough for about 2 servings. So if you want to increase it, you can, and then we're going to add a little garnish to make it beautiful.
Wait, is that mint?
That is mint
Yeah,
out of
I
our
love
garden.
mint.
Yeah, so now then it's mint chocolate, isn't it?
Chocolate
So
mint.
you can add mint, you can add berries, or just, eat it plain. So let's give it a try, buddy.
I got all the mint. You want some?
No, you can take, you want to eat the mint, or you want to, okay, go ahead, eat the mint. How's it taste?
Good.
Okay, whoa, slow down. Remember, it's nice cream, but it'll still give you a headache because it is frozen. All right, so that is a easy, quick, nutritious recipe that you can even feed to your kids for breakfast if you want.
And it's really good.
Yeah.
And please like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see us make next.
There you go. You can always comment on that. So, like Xavier said, like, subscribe, and ding the bell if you want notifications. And as always, we really appreciate you watching our channel, and we want to thank you for taking your time to be with us. Until then, y'all have a good day and take what you got and make it work.